Most people waste hours doing cardio but still struggle to burn stubborn body fat effectively. What if one explosive movement could torch calories faster than traditional boring cardio workouts? Today, you will discover the powerful fat-burning benefits of medicine ball slams exercise. This movement builds strength, speed, endurance, and burns massive calories in very short time. Stay till the end to learn correct form, mistakes, and maximize your results quickly. Traditional workouts are slow, repetitive, and fail to deliver real fat-burning results. Many people rely only on treadmill workouts without intensity or proper engagement. This leads to wasted effort, minimal calorie burn, and slow visible progress. Your body adapts quickly, making steady cardio less effective over time. That is why explosive training is far more effective for fat loss. Medicine ball slams combine strength, cardio, and explosive athletic movement together. This activates multiple muscle groups at the same time for maximum efficiency. Your core, shoulders, legs, and arms work together in every repetition. This creates higher energy demand and burns more calories instantly. It also improves coordination, speed, and overall athletic performance. Many beginners make the mistake of using only their arms during slams. This reduces power output and limits full body muscle activation significantly. Another mistake is not engaging the core during the downward slam motion. Poor form can also increase risk of strain or unnecessary injury. Fixing form is essential to unlock the full benefits of this exercise. Correct form starts with a strong, stable, athletic stance position. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and knees slightly bent. Grip the medicine ball firmly with both hands before lifting overhead. Engage your core and prepare your body for explosive movement. Now, drive the ball down using full body power, not just arms. Use your hips, core, and shoulders to generate maximum force downward. Slam the ball aggressively towards the ground with full intensity. Follow through naturally, allowing your body to bend slightly forward. Catch the ball quickly and reset for the next repetition. Maintain a steady rhythm and focus on explosive energy every rep. Start with a manageable weight to maintain proper form and control. Perform sets of 10 to 15 repetitions with maximum effort. Rest briefly between sets to maintain high-intensity performance levels. Focus on speed, power, and control instead of just completing repetitions. Consistency is key to seeing fast and noticeable fat loss results. Avoid choosing a ball that is too heavy for explosive movement. Heavy weight reduces speed and limits your ability to generate power. Always keep your knees slightly bent to protect your lower back. Never perform this exercise slowly, as it reduces effectiveness significantly. Explosive movement is the key to unlocking real fat-burning potential. This exercise can burn a high number of calories in short time. It increases heart rate quickly and keeps metabolism elevated after workout. You will build strength while simultaneously improving cardiovascular endurance levels. Over time, your body becomes leaner, stronger, and more athletic overall. This is why athletes use this exercise for performance training regularly. Medicine ball slams are simple yet extremely effective for full body training. They require minimal equipment and can be done almost anywhere easily. This makes them perfect for home workouts or gym training sessions. You can combine them with other exercises for high-intensity circuits. This helps maximize fat burning and overall workout efficiency significantly. Always warm up properly before performing explosive exercises like this movement. Focus on mobility and activation exercises to prepare your muscles effectively. This reduces risk of injury and improves overall performance quality. Hydration and proper breathing are also important during intense workouts. Stay consistent and gradually increase intensity for best long-term results. Beginners should start slow and focus on mastering correct technique first. As strength improves, increase speed, intensity, and workout volume gradually. Advanced athletes can incorporate this into HIIT or conditioning routines. This adds variety and prevents workout boredom over time. Keep challenging yourself to push your limits safely and effectively. Remember, explosive exercises require focus, control, and proper body coordination. Never sacrifice form for speed, as it reduces effectiveness and increases risk. Quality repetitions always matter more than simply increasing quantity of reps. Train smart, stay consistent, and results will follow naturally over time. Your body adapts to intensity, so keep pushing progressively. Medicine ball slams can transform your fitness level faster than traditional cardio. They help you burn fat, build power, and improve endurance simultaneously. This makes them one of the best exercises for total body conditioning. Start including them in your routine and feel the difference quickly. Subscribe for more powerful workouts and transform your body starting today.